Here we go. What do we got? Party Faves? A big box of Party Faves. And there they are, a big bag of Party Faves. We're gonna go through each one of them and show you exactly what we got inside the bag of Party Faves. We got here, looks like a twisty helicopter blade thing. I think you just rip it and let it go. You just like do what you're doing and just let it go. And this, oh, it broke. Give it a shot. Whoa! Oh, there's Barbie in the background. Ah, the old 80s shades. MTV, baby. What? Oh, there we go.
I call them
DJ glasses. Grabber. There you go. Grab something. The miniature grabber. Can he get it?
And what is it grabbing?
Looks like a heart.
Something I don't know.
Okay, so what you're supposed to do is take your pen or a pencil, stick it in there, hold on to this, bud. Hold on to the outside and hold it tight. See that? All right, so you try it now until we get. We're going on the outside. Oh, we're going, and yep, hold it tight. And just let it fly. Oh, you got to get the pen down in there. All right, we're having a malfunction here. Hold on. Here's a redo. Go straight up and down with it, bud. With your pen. You have to be straight up and down. Like that. Now try it. Oh well. We did one test run over here. We got one done over there.
I'm confused. We have a slinky.
Oh yeah. Is it a maraca? With a happy face. Oh.
But it's hard.
It's a card you can use for the paper too. You can use the pen and make an outline of it too, you know? Oh, what do we got?
We have a top.
Spin it. Oh,
What?
we got a lot of goodies in the goodie bag.
A pullback race car.
Pull it back and brace it right to the camera. Here we go. Whoa.
Did it turn?
Yeah. One more time. Whoa. Spin a Rooney.
It's gonna make everyone dizzy. Whoever's watching this video is gonna get dizzy.
Here we go. Get ready to get dizzy. Oh my gosh, I am so dizzy. What we got there? Slapping hands. And what's going on back there? That's a brubby. Digging in, digging in. Oh, and it's like shaped like a pair of lips. And another maraca. Got your old standard whistle there.
I'm low.
Come down low. What was that? What dinosaur is that?
A triceratops.
Is it a triceratops?
Stegosaurus.
There you go. Boom. And with some other men here. Okay. This one's looking like, ooh, all right. I don't know what's going on there. Oh, okay. They're all coming together here. What else we got? Oh, and they're just crushed. Digging in.
A spiky ball.
Spike ball. Those are always fun.
I have got 3 spiky.
We got 3 spiky balls. And we're trying to make a snowman. And it didn't happen.
I got 2 of these.
Uh-oh, Brubby? Brubby's losing it, man. We got a baby who's losing it. What do we got here? Oh, yeah, that's fun. Rings with eyeballs on them. Oh, right, so we got another spinner. Oh, cool. Got a couple of smiley faces kind of winking there. Oh! Oh, man! All right, so this was the... Oh, I can't get the box. Party Faves. Got this from Amazon. Has a lot of fun stuff in there. We'll go check out some more things, and we'll get back to everybody. But thank you for joining us, and we are out. Booyah!